Alright, so now we're looking at the Milwaukee installation driver, the M12 Fuel Installation Driver, and the Milwaukee Hex Screwdriver. And I had originally purchased this one first. I bought it with a ratchet for $229. I'm going to try and return the ratchet here. So I should get this kit here for a little bit under $150 after taxes. And then I bought this one after this to kind of supplement or complement this tool. But thinking about it some more, I'm just not going to use this. I only really need this. I don't even really need this. I just wanted something smaller to get into compact spaces. And then I bought this because it was cheap, you know, $70, $69 actually. Well, more after taxes, but these batteries, two of these batteries alone are the same price as this whole kit. So if you're going to buy these two batteries, might as well just buy the kit. But I don't really need these extra batteries. So I'll be returning this, but before I do, just want to explain the thought process of why you would probably want to buy this instead of this. So this one should be about $150, and this one is $70, so yeah, it's twice the price. But this is brushless, and this is brushed. They both do have a battery gauge. They both do have LED lights. So this one has two gears, sorry. So first gear is 0 to 400, and then the second position is 0 to 1,600. This also does have this battery tray here. The grip is a little goofy, but the way it's designed is for your hand to go up in the top here and your middle finger to act as the trigger finger. And you put your hand up at the top like this. But before we get into these any further, let's take a quick look at the cases and then we can zoom in. So they both have the same charger. This case is larger because it has all of these 4 attachments. And this one comes with the 2 amp hour batteries. And this one comes with the 1.5 amp hour batteries. 2 batteries for each kit. And this has compartments for the different head attachments here. And it has Velcro to strap down a tool and the 2 batteries, and this has Velcro as well. So let's get these out of the way, and then we'll zoom in here and take a quick look at the tools. So yeah, so they both have pocket clips as well. That's kind of where the similarity ends. This still has your traditional forward and reverse right here. And the installation driver has it up at the top, which isn't too terrible to get at with your thumb, but I haven't really used this yet. I'll be using it soon for some projects. So this does have clutch, 0 to 16 plus 1, 16 different clutch settings, and then you have the drill mode, and then this one is the same. But you're looking at 175 inch-pounds versus 300 inch-pounds, and this is triple the speed, more than triple the speed, which I think is important. I didn't really realize how slow this is until I looked at it some more. Alright, so weight on this one is 2.2 pounds. Weight on this one is 2 pounds. I thought this would have weighed more, but it doesn't. It's 2 ounces lighter. I guess that's essentially the same thing. Let's get a tape measure. I know this one here is 6.5 inches long by 7.75 inches tall. This one here without the collet is about 5.5, and the height on it, looking at about 7.5. So these two are about the same height. This one actually ramps up, so it's, I don't know if that really matters, but anyway, let me put the collet attachment on here so we have an equal comparison. But you can use this without the collet attached. Let me grab a attachment here. So you can use it without the head attached here, but it doesn't lock in place. It's just magnetic. Pretty strong magnet though. I mean, it's not coming out. So here is the collet attachment. So it goes in easy enough. Well, that didn't do that tool any good, but anyway, here we go. You just push it in, locks in place, comes out nice and easy. This one here, let's see how that works. Push it in, so it comes out nice and easy too. A little longer attachment. So yeah. All right, let's measure this. So looking at 7 inches, so it's actually a little bit longer than this one, 6.5. Yep, right there we can see it. It's a little bit longer. But like I said, if you need it to be really compact, you can just take that off and put a stubby bit in there and you're good to go. Alright, I'll throw the other attachments on real quick and then we can close out the video. Just wanted to show you the versatility of this tool. So we have the right angle adapter. And same thing, you can just throw a bit in here in that magnetic 1/2-inch hex. Then you can throw this on there if you want. And of course that will work in there. So I like that these come off nice and easy. I haven't used it a bunch. Haven't really used it at all really, other than just playing around with it. But I'll be using it soon. Then you can put the drill bit, drill chuck on here. So the chuck works. Take that off of there, take this off. And we'll throw on the offset adapter. So one thing about this is it's magnetic. It doesn't have a collet on here, which is kind of weird. The Bosch FlexiClick has a collet, so it locks your bit in place. So that's one negative to this, I guess. I don't know why they did that. Trying to move it over a little bit. There we go, looks like it's in line now. So yeah, so the offset drill chuck, this is a 3/8 drill chuck, nice metal unit here. And then the right angle offset. So I think it's a better value when you consider that it comes with the 2 amp hour batteries versus the 1.5 amp hour batteries. It's brushless. It should last a lot longer than this one here. And again, it's 300 inch-pounds versus 175 inch-pounds. And the speed is 3 times faster. If you don't want to go fast, you can just put it into position 1 here. It's kind of weird. Put it into position 1 and you're maxed out at 400 RPM. So I think I covered everything I wanted to. Like I said, I just bought this. I don't know, because if I need the batteries, it's a good deal, but I'm never going to use this thing, and I don't know how much I'm going to use this, but it's nice to have it with all these different attachments here. So that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.